Seriously. Yeah, but it trade nothing so. Tebe fence so deshe. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ni ade omuni trade fence so ni ade enche kra. We say na do dey fence so no, but me also dey fence so na say France. Me no kaze see here no, akaka no mo wie.
Like you see the boldness in the stupidity and the menoka some that want to work mass Emma yeda ho asantifo bi tie want to be listen mo asantifo bi amudi NPP chi mo jibi me ndi matemo bi bia wani. And that is the painful part. Me kana mu mududo na ya mu ya instead of some be accept said ye ka de no ko no we so we do otu for atem no me di wo a wajimi ne watem wo na me kire so wajimi na NPP for ehum mu bi se mo wajimi omo dada mo omo na ho ti radio we so and omo ye den omo ka kire say chairman wuntumi ko jail a Ibrahim Mohammed ko jail na me fa me ho after all these things hwede eba no cases were court egu ho twe ebia NPP for person be ka ho asema kire mo ye kire mo de ekoso court aban yene ane kacha aban we se pese aban we e make sure say omo di esika omo boy kro no o say aban de ko gina fias ye court na yedwudwom na yehu de ekoso inti de bia no aban no attorney general office omo kire through oral no omo kire cases e wo court insem no ebinie Monday ende me no ka say de si wo court ni anopa 9 criminal court 4 Republic versus Bernard Ejubosiako aka Chairman Wuntumi Samurai Boy illegal mining case motion on notice for leave to withdraw as counsel yabeka ho asem enda anopa Chairman Wuntumi ne former lawyer Apiakubi eko court say okwa akotwe ne ho afri Chairman Wuntumi ho say onye ne lawyer biem eno anopa 9 no mudi ho asem madwudwom de ekosi wo court akyerew. About 9:30 pepepe specialized court Republic versus Hanan Abdul Wahab Aludiba and buffer stock case completion of case management conference and 9:30 so buffer stock case no the accused any the prosecutors no omunyina share judge no be for the CMC case management conference you say krata we will be we susu will be I we dey be fa we mame and send ya be gina court abechirechire bi ntende dwumadia buffer stock case no e course no omu 9:30 anopa pepe about 10 and the anope specialized court 1 Republic versus Kobina Edubuahin and 2 others cyber security software scandal completion of cross examination of third prosecution witness and then also a course Edubuahin case no course prosecution no se bi obeka attorney general no omo bedi adanse ama attorney general no Edubuahin lawyers no etoto oma no and eno so ekoso court one so eno so the course and the third prosecution witness no yetoto na no ema bibia course wawa and ebo anopa nondu 10 a.m. now about 6 a.m. or Ghana High Court Republic versus Osei SCB entry National Service case management conference and also no almost court and 10 anopa 10 o'clock no and also no case for national service case no no and so omokoye CMC wo ho and so omunyina ekocheche omkrata mu kire judge said be omo bepie court obi anka say oh krata we de midi bi we de wanka ho asema nkire me witness oni bi omokoye sade for the CMC case management conference and so ekoso ende now ochina the 16th of June court besa akoso where kekere person di MPP for munye na Ghana fo hu eno ano edwo anya din Aleku Francis, yanom kakra, no homo. Ochina on the 16th, Tuesday, anopa 10 o'clock pepepe, ubetuma court to wako case nibi. Criminal Court 1, Republic versus Akonta Mining and 3 others. Tano Nimiri Forest Reserve Mining case. Cross-examination of third prosecution witness. Inti Ochina, Ochina, anopa 10 Chairman Wuntumi beko court Tano Nimri Forest Reserve mining case no eno so nkwa kwotena se yabedo to nkofo no adansiefo a obubedi adansie case no ochina nopa 10 o'clock pepe Chairman Wuntumi ebeko court na menim lawyer odene beko Mr. P, this case is still being handled by just say I don't know how here enti cases that Chairman Wuntumi so no Apiakubi a selective bi no say how dey menya lawyer biem na ebi ho oda ho lawyer ebi for the mojibi o Ochina no pa 10 o'clock and so Criminal Court 4 Republic versus Gift Owari Mensah National Service case in Ebekoso cross examination of first prosecution witness. Ochina ebe cross examine the first prosecution witness ewo court and also 10 Gift Owari case no National Service for case no Ebekoso ewo Ochina and then no pay na me read about National Service for case no and environmental impact. We a scholarship secretariat. Anope, I was reading the mining lease balance sheet cabinet. Anope, now me reading give to our case, all the documentations, scandals, of course, so any chronoa, omoboy, I was reading about it this morning. 16th. Ochinando pa 10 o'clock. Mobile share give to Owari. Our court. Now Wukwada and now Wednesday, 8:30 and pa 8:30. Oral our court. No case no case fa Criminal Court 4 Republic versus Bernardine Chubosiako aka Amewu and 2 others. Samra Boy illegal mining case. Deadline for addresses, if any. It's Wednesday no ombesa akọ court chema wuntumi Samra Boy case no addresses no eno so ochina Wednesday no the lawyers besa akọ court Wednesday and Thursday anopa 10 a.m. General Jurisdiction 10 Republic versus Bernardine Chubosiako aka chema wuntumi and 2 others Exim Bank loan case. Inti Thursday so chema won't be court Exim Bank sika okodia owia dia wamfa nye dwuma ende ye busa ne ho asem metise obi ka se an chema won't me Exim Bank sika na ogie no sika keke na ogie wenku nipa otweba. You see debi ameka che NPP for any communicators and say mumudu do no madwene wo form magimi there's a reason why your ADB Bank wetima kwaji loan. There's a reason why you a Absa Bank ubetima akoji loan. There's a reason why ubetima ko Ghana Commercial Bank akoji loan. Sa banks we nyina ukoji loan ho omu nyina wo terms and conditions. And there's a reason why our people in Kofoko Exim Bank akoji loan. Now so Oko Bank say Oko Exim Bank akoji loan. The purpose is for what? Exim Bank for omuma loan for DN. Now say Oko Exim Bank. Now Abra winim all the banks in Ghana. So over to me any bank. And I know Chema want to me does not work with does not work with only Exim Bank. I think say, and I believe so he works with other banks. Why do you think Chema want to me went to Exim Bank? Oko Exim Bank no okoji sika no so be ding. Court, otna court near to 2 the motive in your head crana etuma oko jail. Do you know that? And this is not just motive. Now motive no okoji loan na the motive was okoji loan no e de akoye fu Exim Bank omo ma loan se fa ko yemfa nko to ship. Exim Bank omo ma loan se yemfa nko to kantwi. Exim Bank emma loan say yemfa nko bie asori. Exim Bank emma loan for a reason. The purpose is there. It is also Exim Bank. Na so okoji loan then it means say your mission and the intent, because bank is one, there is a purpose for that bank giving that kind of loan. And it's all just a loan, Now, one for loan, yet what it was intended for, then it means say motive not beji loan it was wrong. On that basis, you can be found guilty of doing what? Of you manipulating, deceiving the bank. What am I saying? The idea crapo sa wokwaji bank idea na da utim no enye idea papa. Into the question every experience prosecutor will ask Chairman to me in the courtroom was, why did you go for the loan? That would be my first question as a prosecutor. So Chairman to me with the Exim Bank case and answer on the Exim Bank case. I'll ask you a simple question. Please say, do you know this bank? I'm going to say yes. What's the name of the bank? So Exim Bank. Can you explain to me what that bank does? Me a prosecutor. That's how I'm going to start it. Oh, Mr. Bosiako, how many banks do you save? Because I save at here. Have you taken loans from any of these banks? So yeah, in the past I took loan from here. Okay. When you took the loan, what was the purpose of the loan? So I took the loan from bank A to go and put in my business, from bank B to go. It's okay. But do you know a bank called Exim Bank? Okay, say, yes, I know Exim Bank. Have you done business with them before? Okay, say, oh, yes. Do you know why Exim Bank was established? Okay, say, I don't know what he's talking about. So do you know why Exim Bank was established? His lawyer will come in and say, oh, objection. I don't think my client should know the history about everyone. So I'm sorry. So Mr. Botsiako, Exim Bank, have you done transaction or any kind of business with them? That's how I bait you. A good prosecutor will bait you into to the point where then the prosecutor will finally ask you, why did you go to Exim Bank to take the loan? You can't just say I want to take loan. You have to give a reason. Because one, you have already, or through your lawyer, explained to us what Exim Bank stands for, or their reason, or the reason why Exim Bank was put together. So I've built you from there. And these are things you can't avoid. Then he'll put the final question to you. Why did you choose Exim Bank? Into Omawati, I said, Unimadi Kudientia, Wanko KVIP, Anko G loan, Okoji loan or Exim Bank. So the motive is what the prosecutor will be establishing. That is what we call common sense. At this point, he has not applied any of his legal experience. He's just basically applying common sense and making the judge sitting there know so you're comfort. My Jimmy, if a communicator sits on TV and tell me, say, Chairman, I want to make Exim Bank loan, when Kunipa also yakwasia. And I think you know, so Exim Bank loan. But there are things around Salon, no? Some maybe loan one dangerous. It is a woman tem now nim say obi ye one in the bar. Obi a pelon, obi a dim say no watch no. Adentina nkofo nkwaje one in the bar. Because okwaje one in the bar, papa we unim say one. So would you 10 Ghana every month to be able 40 Ghana? Are you prepared to pay the 40 Ghana? 2. Unim say one in the banner, man we only seek obetum the tax abetatao. So you look at nyome wo ho no. And so take that decision. Then the man decided to go Exim Bank. You people are so stupid. Maybe go law school. My in-laws no more law firm. Once in a while, I go support them at their law firm. If I wanted to do paralegal or wanted to be a paralegal, I had paralegal. But most of you NPP for me, Jimmy, you are not smart. And it's not to me tonight. A TV so say Kevin Taylor did the attempt to me. Did the attempt? Wait, Jimmy, you go to jail. Kevin Taylor did the attempt, Intiasa did the attempt. I'm saying, wait, Jimmy, you go to jail. Say, Obi Jira baby bien and look at Kevin Taylor did the attempt to me, did the attempt. Now when you wait, Jimmy, you are going to go to jail. They are going to bait you. You go to jail, obey ex-convict. Because the Kevin Taylor can send me a. Now say Kevin Taylor, yentumi anchina. It does not mean or automatically it does not mean say, whoa, you will not go to jail. You will go to jail. Because Kevin Taylor small kind no time I can Japan de ba court to America no se nanka me ni ade am gina so aka Kennedy open 9 million kan nsa kan into obusa ho de America na me ye de Kevin Taylor ye ni bia no me wo de me de bo me ho ban. You don't, so you don't do what Kevin Taylor did. Echire we Jimmy. And you people are so weak-minded. NPP for that is why I'm asking. More communication. Where are you headed? More coin. The party no ba now, Mamin Chawade. Now, Momenko straight. Now you taking care of a year. Sa Amewu. Sky Train case or court. Sky Train trial. $2 million loss was caused by COVID-19. Defense lawyers argue. Sky Train now NPP for about power. Catch Ghana for you. Be train deche Mr. S. Pull me. Mo de di moja. Mo Jimmy Sentampe. Enya Ntampe phone ni bi papa ni bi Ntampe phone na mo Jimmy Sentampe phone ni bi. The Ntampe asie bi na champion fie mu. MPP for mo Jimmy Sentampe phone ni bi. Na Ntampe papa no. And the muntumi fa mo Jimmy nko. Adeku Francis. And the MPP for kopie quarter. And the ekoka a year Sky Train hun sensem every a year NPP mpenifo no omo lawyer nano a ose o Sky Train na ye ka se be ya ma Ghana fo a ye bo hu de wuru de ho Ghana ye kwaje hu $2 million di ye no COVID-19 ti na ye ntumi anya we mu no mu nya nipa and the MP for kopie quarter na ye buso mo se Sky Train no adenti na mo ntumi anya Sky Train na ma nipa manya ma Ghana fo a mudi $2 million kwa ye ni bebi asikara fa NPP for ka kire se oh Sky Train na mo ntumi anya ni nyina no problem ni nyina ne say COVID-19 ba ye nti na mo ntumi anya Sky Train COVID-19 today they are in court blaming COVID-19 on Sky Train me say one day mo tia no maka kire so oh ba o mia ne hu ni ho na COVID-19 ti time COVID-19 sie no ba o mia low sperm count no nti ba o mia ntumi wu biem me se motia sa ankofo e be ka kire mo on debi aka kire mo se debi ametena me se NPP for omunim nyansa the people leading them omo yom mpedifo and they are not ready to listen to admit to say omunim nyansa me say get me deche NPP for sman kwasiafo be betena TV so etra santimemu omo ntena nkan yo debi ameka kire mo se NPP for person mu jimi a omo satena santimemu. Messiah, I have it. Say MPP for person mu Jimmy pa. Omo person mo starting no mu Jimmy or Ghana. So we steady MPP ya omo starting nyina wasantimemu. O2 for or say to asase so. E ho na Jimmy ni fifi. Ya tena kroma mkofo ka je say ba omia ye tire nkwan no odenam wiem. Ene kufo de nam ensuase. Omo ya de deche fi kran. E de abakuma ase na ye wasantifo ahemfo te asantimemu. Ya we mu nkokora ne mbrewa obiembie na no ma enkwara wetina MPP mu kansa de we wo chema wuntumi radio so continuously and they some say Sky Train no way sika no way so COVID-19 ji sika ne die eniti no wuntumi anye Sky Train no deche
uni sana na da kwa kufa da roma ye build train e na fansuo so seriously ya beri trade na fansuo so tie be fansuo so deshe omo Europe UK ni Holland ni ade omunim trade fansuo ni ade enche kra misa na do de fansuo so no ba omi aso de ba fansuo na se di e kwa no Eurostar yes yeah
from London to France
me no kaze si ya no akaka na omo wie uni misa na da kwa kufa da roma ya build train e na fansuo so seriously ya beri trade na fansuo so tie be fansuo so deshe omo Europe UK ni Holland ni ade omunim trade fansuo ni ade enche kra misa na do de fansuo so no ba omi aso de ba fansuo na se di e kwa no Eurostar yes yeah
from London to France
me no kaze si ya no akaka na omo wie
akwa we ode chema wutu na ti wuntumi o we nkoso mo chire no de ma moku yawe. Wait. This is the kind of message a January santimemu. No muti wuntumi radio so. Na wuntumi tene nchen. Na obi wa MPP mu asantimemu di me matem. Kwasiafo we na muti omo. O wa MPP mu from asantini be di me matem. We na go say de ma moku ya no mo we. You see where we are. Say MPP di person mu jimi a. Almost starting asantimemu. O kan na mu buefu. Ade yente ase we di panyina atem. Say MPP person mu jimia no mo ti o mo to bini dia asantibem no mo start no because ye nuanam asantifo de bi so nkwase asam so. How can you sit in Ashanti region with the 2 million manipa or catch us or yet the free kind the abakuma ase it is at to abama 2020 na yet wo ebo yensem sansem we nyina Asantuma cancel to you yeah O2 said to tie in penifo mo asantimemu nyina obi ateye they didn't say anything because you see it sometimes I feel say I na asantifo penifo ni bi eye omo de say ye dada asantifo because anke de mrato because untimi go Spain ko yesa de we untimi ko Morocco ko yesa de we ye de mrato say hey enya politics ntina bebu asantifo nim tia abedi atro wa ba yesa de na ye be so mu no but in penifo ni gye ho ade a enya kura nti say payday it they try a fruma into be Jimmy Cry so that is what is happening. It is what study the NPP as a political party. So mo be Jimmy pa almost starting asantimemu. You check their history. Check. Nancy as koko boko former the whole world that NDC nkwa ban etumi tua koko e kapapa ama ene koko kuafo ewusa ampa aban papa ba nyansafo de di enim no. Omoko starte ye kokoko campaign omo starte santimemu. The NPP no sebi omo wa santifo no bi dodo no mudi omo so omo agimi. Me ka omo se me di atem. Me di watemo. Me show the reality how they see you. Abrante we na nkoso de ma kokoko na kokoko we. Kokoko we na nkama kokoko petu anu guso. Kwasi ampanyi we.
Uni sana na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye build train et na fansuo so. Seriously. Ye build train na fansuo so. Tie be fansuo so deshe. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ni ade omuni tie fansuo ni ade enche kra. Misana na do de fansuo so no. Ba omi aso de ba fansuo na se. Di e kwan. Eurostar, yes.
Eurostar,
Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no kase si ya no. Akaka no mo wie. Uni sana na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye build train et na fansuo so. Seriously. Ye build train na fansuo so. Tie be fansuo so deshe. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ni ade omuni tie fansuo ni ade enche kra. Misana na do de fansuo so no. Ba omi aso de ba fansuo na se. Di e kwan.
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes.
Eurostar,
Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no kase si ya no. Akaka no mo wie. Uni sana na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye build train et na fansuo so. Seriously. Ye build train na fansuo so. Tie be fansuo so deshe. Omo mo Europe, UK ni Holland ni ade omuni tie fansuo ni ade enche kra. Misana na do de fansuo so no. Ba omi aso de ba fansuo na se. Di e kwan.
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes.
Eurostar,
Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no kase si ya no. Akaka no mo wie.
Like, you see, the boldness in the stupidity. And the menoka some da huti wuntumi okumase. Emma, ye da ho asantifo bi tie wuntumi. Mese mo asantifo bi amudi NPP chiri mo agimi. Me ndi matemo, mi biewani. And that is the painful part. Me kana mumududo na yemu ya. Instead of some be accept said ye kan no kro no, we say we do otumfo atem. No. Me di wo a wagimi ne watem wo na me kire so wagimi na NPP for ehum mu bi se mo wagimi omo dada mo omo na ho ti radio we so and omo ye den omo ka kire say chairman wuntumi ko jail a Ibrahim Mohammed ko jail na me fa me ho. Me, do I care? I don't care who goes to jail next. As far as the laws of this country is working, I don't care. Samo pa mo Ghana munchi obi angum mo ya mo free power obi bechi mo gum e normal. It is a sem keka no he akwa wait na TV so ka kire omo asantimemu say omo ye train deshe osaka to so say ye wie the same time Peter Amewu obetena TV so ka kire omo say dabi enya de be ye sky train bia Peter Amewu still asantifo no MP for say dabi yenjindi.
But as a minister currently, you can say on authority that there's no such agreement to have.
No, it's not possible to be done now. I don't see a SkyTrain being done in the next 3-4 years. I mean, let's be
so at least
very
for the end of the Akufo-Addo administration, we are not going to have a SkyTrain.
There's not going to be any SkyTrain, please. Not possible.
But as a minister currently, you can say on authority that there's no such agreement to have.
No, it's not possible to be done now. I don't see a SkyTrain being done in the next 3-4 years. I mean, let's be
so at least
very
for the end of the Akufo-Addo administration, we are not going to have a SkyTrain.
There's not going to be any SkyTrain, please. Not possible.
Wow. Amewu no na minister, railways, highway, or say, yenye SkyTrain obi abwa. Still there to Ghana. In terms of senka, when you refi. These are the people we are dealing with. Amewu no a minister, railway minister. Because Ghana for say, hey, enya di ebe train biya ye discano. Or can plain language, brofum. So there's never going to be a SkyTrain in 4 years. Nobody on earth can build a SkyTrain in 4 years. It is never going to be possible. And so there, we MPP ni or TV so defend it. And a SkyTrain no, yeah, me say na mama Jimmy ana. Are you young for mama kokwo wiana? This is basic. Deshe 2 million and they question COVID-19. Me say me ke bibia anke mankofo chance me say one day omeka che say Akufo-Addo COVID na wo no eni na nyoma ba heart sa me say one day omeka che say Baomia enya COVID intina Baomia kasa okasa ba heart sa no me say yetia one day MP for omeka che say oh Baomia enya COVID eni intina oya nyoma bia mama yamfa serious it will happen one day yeti kroma na MP for a press conference ka che say oh De Baomia yene de yamfa no cool, yamfa no form. If you say Baomia no COVID ba no e kan no into on recover here. This is the original video.
Esi ameno ka say. Who is na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye build train e na fansuo so. Seriously. Yeah, very trade na fansuo so. Say be fansuo so de. Omo Europe, UK ni Holland are the muni trade fansuo ni ade enche kra. Me say na do de fansuo so no. But me also do ba fansuo na se. Di e kwa no.
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no ka say sia no. Akaka no mo wie. Yes, companies so omo plane you know I train no e bi South Africa omo ye enche kra ba bedu ubeti from Kumasi to Accra you use 1 hour 30 minutes you can you bit matter Kumasi aye adwuma wa Accra that is the plan yes contract you know mo sha say manufacture trains ne dey ba be so no next year ya Kumasi de na fi Accra ba no e so ba
Eugene. No comment. No comment. That'll be for the morning. Thanks for.
Is he ameno ka say? Who is na da kwa kufa da Roma. Ye build train e na fansuo so. Seriously. Yeah, very trade na fansuo so. Say be fansuo so de. Omo Europe, UK ni Holland are the muni trade fansuo ni ade enche kra. Me say na do de fansuo so no. But me also do ba fansuo na se. Di e kwa no.
Eurostar.
Eurostar, yes. Yeah.
From London to France.
Me no ka say sia no. Akaka no mo wie. Yes, companies so omo ye plane you know I train no e bi South Africa omo ye enche kra ba bedu ubeti from Kumasi to Accra you use 1 hour 30 minutes you can you bit matter Kumasi aye adwuma wa Accra that is the plan yes contract you know mo sha say manufacture trains ne dey ba be so no next year ya Kumasi de na fi Accra ba no e so ba
Sometimes we sound say me no ka say om da ho ti Kumasi tie wuntumi or can want to me radio. Yet I want to call for Tikumasi a friend to ma a defend want to me radio. Sometimes we sound say now yakoya na ya buy. These are things they said when they were in power. Shall I change in a way? Shall no auditro or cantro NPP promo Jimmy we reading in the name of Jesus. Me won't party and the base Jimmy say that. First, now also answer me because it looks like you are dealing with idiots. Like you don't even need to push your weight. This is the NPP. And meno kasa and they omo da huti want to me manipa tie Kumasi. I say, hey, where dear omo pay asem say now what you bidding a gum. The NPP for we say any asantifoni be a Jimmy. Na hwechema want me. Nipa na obi a radio na nkasa say Jimmy. Tama na akwara we kika sansem no na wontumi Jimmy ne to wo Eurostar den ye da ho ti krom ha yenko enime me de me somafo mo Jimmy na meka na da ho betine mu a me se one day atia na mo beka kire se ba omia mai ba omia de o ka kari nyina COVID effect no after COVID post COVID o mo beka kire se ba omia recover fully yete ha o meka kwase asem nko a then you want to change people like this sanko for the untumi se so mo Omadani mokuya no muguso Jimina mokualization. Sango no go to me no. Omadani I could be a friend more example. Some catch him or mental problem. And I'm abudenti no. Or mental problem. On the last me there no, me say the doctor who treated this guy actually called me and said this guy has mental problem. Me ma Ghana for here. Now what Ghana now we need ability more example. And yes I question doctor say abai so work with Togo. These are not they are not stable. More example on your key. Some better hana more example akasemi na my serious na the document chese obwa meko and more example say more example better chema want to me radio so want to be na me babe kase o do kan nya no kure me the document but more example kasa ya for documents in chirem or a mental patient he's on record I even wonder why people na more example me so kasa hwe deep or problem. Psychologically, on your stable. On your okay. Now, Me also me I don't come say mami very explaining more some podcast say me. No, they be a me direct him to his madness. You can see it. They be a me catch him. Omo Jimmy go mun to me FM ho. They are stupid people. Now, mami ncho de ko. Mama ha mo ho kra adwuma na ifo. Now, ye wura insensem num. Kroma na NPP ka so omo be ye Kumasi Airport International Airport. Eti kroma. Paul Ademochi kwasi ampen jantre ni tutu ni. Paul Ademochi onya cancer ni hu fin. Obeka kire otumfo, otamotumfo, odada otumfo no mampon, otwemo ahemfo asete se nkwara ekogu Kumasi International Airport. Aya na mu kasa mu nka we nka ho. Mo kasa kemitele di otumfo ata no maka we aka ho. NPP for be twi otumfo asete sa akwara akogina Kumasi International Airport. Eka kire so madani Kumasi International Airport into an international airport. Plane bi o wiase bi abesi wo ende international plane be na esi wo moma MPP fo hu mu se mu bi mu agimi ye tumfo ade mo dwa ye kasa ena ka bi di penyina me ndi obi atamo me kire wo se MPP ni bu se wagimi. Don't be angry, don't be pissed off, just sit back nya abotana hwehwem na busa ho se eye nokura na enya nokura da be na mo busa mo dodo mo busa mo ho se Kevin asomo ken mo me busa ho eye nokura na da be na international airline be si Kumasi se efa nipa akọ Germany. Intana mo kama asema mo nka wenyi mo nka se Kevin kan say enokura na nya nokura Buankra inland port and the mitumi ho asantini bo di NPP echi ne se brown ka se NDC fo mbe ye Buankra kwasia ye se this year anko a akwadwane odo Jimmy to was me NPP stronghold 8 years NPP e di otumfo ko Buankra 3 times egu no mpoboa ho chacha ye gu hu futuro di hu agro muchi soro kuko gina Buankra 3 times ye ntumi afa blog back kwanto odo kwasia be di be matam edi animtia na chance ade we entem ka se mumu bi asantifori bi na mu di NPP ekiri mu agimi NPP frin kan na obani egu Kumasi na mugu ho. Reason up a little bit. Meantime, I am pricking your conscience. I am letting you know the reality. Me minim sebeto kameto sebia kaebia nkamewu me nim sebeto. I will let you know the facts. This is where you people are. Part ne Jimmy Fono ehumu asantifo bi se mu Jimmy, and I'm never going to stop saying it because weighing in the message, you know. Matias here. Me mento sebi esumebu be. You see this year nkwa akwa dwane. Na wo part na wo so wo de twa wo furu manaba abetena ban mu 16 years kofo all the way to Kufuado. Part ne tu anya Buankra. Na akwa na emeye ma wo. Are you okay? Are you in your right senses? Et say sewia afare egu ho. Ye koto ba ye betu NDC. Na ye twi soro kwa bu nipa atata nipa tuogum 10 times. 2016 aji to me January 7 2017 wakuta to me to 2024. O party free power who this year ne ka chem say akwa memra meye hospital o ya boa. Wa dwene no enifie. Who are you supposed to blame? Over pa mbobra hwan na blame no. And you foolishly sit na yenya nipa bi TV so kase ana NDC no. Are you foolish? Eti de bia na MPP ni be hu say wagimi o ya akwa wa dwene wo fom. And that is the reality. Mema ubunfu. Udwami enye because me for first class or two for first class. Metima for private jet or two for fubi. Untumi for economy kra. Una we hie ni na pese eboa wo. Do you understand? Maintain your level adole and let us show you say MPP for ne Jimmy, they don't respect you people. Some of you people. And these are facts. And the ubufua I say udwame kwa. I don't fucking care about how you feel, but that is why I want to do that. Debia, I had dine ende yet Ghana. That's not Ghana to ya 8 years. Ye ko na ye ba abaye diechi ni etua tax ya jeje ye nsemu sika ma otu for sabe bunko to dwe se o pesika akosi komfo anoche. Ye ntumi atu ye hu ensi kuruma nka se ye ntiase na eto na abanje no de kwahin. Yetna homa MPP go tu fo ni ma sete sa akwa mi hu say ohini bia wo wiase abegina abontene esresre sika all because say or the koye hospital aban eye ne responsibility ohini mua obunkotodwe area gu no hu ani mase ferie ye bu ebe eto ferie so na yetna ho yankasa na Kufuado etam akonwa firi enkran or the betna radio so asantememu catch a kwabre for Senquasia for Montomamia because of Mokwanti, Monfamu Jiminko, or Casamanichi Mensia. Ye nya Bema, Tedia Dan Nantem, a swabon the Tusa Kuku, and to men sin Buankas a dabida. Yasako G Gele, a more t-shirt, ebe Jimmy Yahoo, Miracle, and I'll do any brebamaso. Oh, bottom. These are facts. Meant to Sebi. And I'm not ready to say Sebi. And I'm made show clearly no credit na made Pimuswama no, and it's from or Pimuswa part 2. Or 2 for no, I mean, I'm woho. Bermani fear, I am me. Weja. Intimate show the Ayanusu Wolf. Met my show countless things. Edro Bejiwa atrema. Edro Ebejiwa atrema. J.A. Kufobedi president. Saya Edro na Kebejiwa Nkejimu free 2000. Ya papa Kufoba e ye bia okobi wa santimemu. Of chino ho ebini dan no siye e na chichiriye we baaye. Ya to honwom etwa honwom esa e bo ho akutia. 8 years yentumi fa ensensia de ba akoso. Na wo de hye no wantuma anko anje ukuro. Akwar kwase ampanyi na maji ukuro ma. Wa dwene wo fie. Are you intelligent enough to sit on the table of men to make decisions? I'm asking you people simple questions. And if you people think, say, yes, we are say tia we ntie be giant ke na dada wo. Ye nye ready. Enti mebunu na omo ba no. Saa nketwa na omo ba na modwen say mo authority omo so be dada omo etwetwa ntro no. Yene we are controlling their minds with the facts and the truth. When they are ready to ask questions, we will give them reasonable answers. In this Jimmy Samuna, you align party with Edian, Akonya, you align party with a year, you align party with every foolish thing. No, we are going to stop it. And that is the revolution. The revolution of the new Ghana is to get the young African, Ghanaian, the young Ashanti to understand that party does not run, that chieftaincy does not run government. No. We will separate chieftaincy from governance, from politics. For the young Ashanti boy, Ashanti girl, and the two for the Mako school abrochire, adentra, woman university papa bia anko school womu Ashanti memu. Mina bedi matem. Now you sanka university papa wa Ashanti memu anko two for man komungu Ashanti memu university. Eno na ye pemso, eno na ye pre, eno ntire mi edi nkomo, de eye ema otumfo mano, eye ma kwa me kwa acheso ba. And some of you people take these things personal. You get angry, all because we are questioning your level of intelligence. Ye busamu adwene senya adwene ekwechire se mu do ana emundo. Because politician obeba obeko ne ba benye sika ono so benye sika obetu kwa hwe ne ho yare na wo kwa me kwa ache hwe sewia any afare how long these hospitals have sat. We could have operationalized it. Uni nipa dodo omewu. If Sewia and Afari were operational in the last 8 years, and Kamumu bebre mo nananom, mo ma, mo yire no mo mkwaji a wowu ya, ebi mu BP ni has accident to come nke aji omo nkwa. Ye Jimmy, where are our senses? And we stupidly think, say, yeah, tia obi, my child is not going to come to Komfo Hospital. I'm telling you. So when I do this, I'm doing this for you, to save you. Na mumu bi mo Jimmy dodo. Politics no, ye de adokuru mo moja. And my son, Yentiasia, Kevin Taylor, no, and away. No, who now be woo? I am good. Yeah. Mumu, you want Jimmy? And a JJ regime, and a JJ, and a PNDC in a way. JJ Rollins nanka sankasa owen. Omo na JJ Rollins ni omo sojam. Why na wunimu no? Mumu bi ye Jimmy. Enti NPP ni opportunity na. Unim PNDC, unim JJ Rollins. JJ musu wewu. PNDC su egu. Obi eni wo NDC sisia oni JJ Rollins tena dem e plan PNDC de wo ami mu. Obi enim. Enti sia hwana no ne ko. Now, mumu yenjidwam. Memetia Obia oya me papa bone time papa see so onya me problem. I can tell you on authority. Obi onim papa ana me ma nya problem time me see so ye ka kire me sandipa no onfa me ho. obi a ɔne papa ebusu nya problem ɔne me maame ebusu nya problem me beto so me akwabtie enye me nkɔkɔ sa ntɔkwa ne maame papa ne me maame. It is not my problem. Me papa ne me maame problem ɔmo no munya saa encounter no me ka se kura saa nipa ɔne me papa nya problem 30 40 50 years ago saa nipa do kura wowu ne ba ɔnya me problem ne yere enya me problem. My life now is about how I can protect what is now and ahead. Finito. Ba ye de saa ne atim tetena na wani na 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 yentu me hu nipa baako saa na JA Kufuor eba power before the 17 wie JA Kufuor ba power. The first thing he wanted to do was to destroy JJ Rawlings, get rid of him using the constitution, the same constitution a protected Kufuor man be the president. He wanted to use the constitution to destroy JJ Rawlings. Technically, now compensate JJ Rawlings echo firing squad and you couldn't touch it. That is JA Kufuor. That was his intention. JA Kufuor about power. Sa adwene na ne daddy team fitin kwara brem. Sa adwene bone, adwene fin, adwene tantan. Ye de nipa bi sei, and na we mu de omo tan ye sei. Sa adwene na odi be di president no. Now the mission was to come and destroy Rawlings, kill him, using the constitution. Oba and Obi a friend, the Constitutional Reconciliation Committee. And was set a man for or friend and call for someone tina ho. Na afei ya tete ya keka. Say JJ Rawlings botuo, JJ Rawlings ba santimemu, JJ Rawlings twi obi to ase, JJ Rawlings twa obi ti. Say say be a friend Reconciliation Committee. And I Kufuor share that setting committee. And omoko asantime ko asem monko nkran ko kama asem. Yetena TV so. Ye kasa yetena ho hwe ye. JJ Rawlings betena ko nwam. Reconciliation Committee. Go and read about it. JJ Rawlings sat in a chair for hours. Obi ani Ghana otumi babaka say Rawlings na me gina ho no bom papa tuo. E de nkwase asem no no. E de politics tantan ani Jimmy sem no no. E na de ti kurom ha. Nobody was bold. And so when you da who Kufuor when NPP and the Rawlings be Kufuor gave you the opportunity because the other two the 315 in kwa brem no and na nko person be accomplish. He wanted to come and make sure that JJ Rawlings na or ya hunani na e time no ya for the same constitution enku. And so none of you hypocrites, none of you liars, nobody was bold enough, nobody was smart enough to factually sit on TV with evidence that Rawlings did in the second Obi or Ghana. Munya beifo. Nti am say Rawlings Kufuor bra or breno. Adwene bone nti na man breno. Wegya. Reconciliation Commission, a commission that has, thank you very much for the correction, a commission that has the same power as a high court. It is our commission, no? The Kufuor say Ote commission. And remember, commission, I will 2 meet to say high court. 18 Sankobi Bejina Casa, oh, Namitia Santase, Nanami Jina Rawlings Baye, and or cheat two or bomb papa tributu and Casa commission, and what 2 meet to say high court, they could have made sure, say, court in Rawlings Bedini jail, no. And the Casa commission can say, Niparas more can no cre, it's Yanko Rawlings and Yanko Hangina, and the Rawlings go hanging on. The same commissioner, MP Voko Bo to Ayawaso West Wagon. Our commissioner can say, Brother Champon, Yanchin go to Fiasi or your Cronfort, any Omomuko di Bonea, Ekufuor to say, Sir Commissioner Mabodam or Tokrat and to train. The same commissioner J. Ekufuor Biye. What you see, Jimmy? You are diabolic people, Nipa Bonnefo, Asifo, Monkano Cre, selfish ingrates. Yeah, NPP for yen say BBA. Yeah, Chichire Ghana. We need to get over all this old nonsense. Atrodie. The BOB course was here finding when you say no. A day na mwenya wom for all these years. All these years. Mo yes sadie we nyina besin ne. A day pa na mwenya free mo. Day na mwenya. What are you? And still, the political party a ehhehye masema mo yes sadie no. Omo hu musa mo ye Jimmy for because the NPP for a very long time from 1992 they have treated Asante Forte says Sebio Mumu bizisamu ye ngan. How can you tell me in 2026 hospital you see a 13 years MPP about power twice sa hospital no MPP to me can say my yasha Asante ni munyam Asante ni ba akoma ko wanyam akọ wafa ne ho afa ne ba ye ni ankasa kura ye kejetia na ye nananom ye di eduro e de kyekere no eye NDC for entafo ne awonafo de besi ye ade ye mfare ade Are we not shy? Yem ferry. Said the pub we see a Jimmy a young into a tenacia young yene. Yem Musaya one some. Yem dada ya dream question Musa I didn't nipa way FIC Jimmy for. And today you see a young man, an older man in Kumasi on social media saying say na Seriano Afarino I don't know NDC because he chu chauti with Jimmy. Tetena and I can try the party this year for now because he chu chauti because you're him be because send him with Jimmy. You don't even know who you are. You don't know what you represent. Partner the principle don't tell you. And these are the basics. And this is what I talk to you people about every fucking blessed day.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.
The NPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahin, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. Tell you without mincing words.
How a better than to me Ashisha Ghana Sikasem a develop Ghana. A better than to me I'll make sure say I drink I'm a Ghana couldn't him. But Omiaka say about Omiaka the verb.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere.